back now. So I put a battery, well, not a battery, but put the same battery back in it after it's been charged. So we're good there. The battery was low, so I had to go get it charged at AutoZone. Everything's put back together other than the air intake. I'm gonna leave that off because there's no point putting it on when I'm about to take everything apart anyway. So I did get it started the other day. Still runs like crap, but it's all good. This motor's coming out anyway, so I'm going to get it started again. I'm gonna try to move it to this side to see if I can do that. Move it to this side because I need to start taking this bumper off and the front bumper. I want to take it off so it doesn't get messed up. It's not the perfect bumper anyway, but when I'm snatching the motor out, I don't want to run the chance of it falling on the actual bumper, and then now I got to repaint the whole bumper and all that. So I wanted to show y'all this too. I got this a while ago. A little motivation, you know. I just like it because it matches the car. It's pretty much the same color. So, keeping it here for safekeeping. You can't even see it. Look how dirty that is. Look at that. Wash. Me. You know. This is dirty. But yeah. Let's get it going. Let's see what we can do. Hear it. I mean, it's running. There we go. Yeah, she's spitting out fuel. Assuming that's what that was. Don't smell like fuel. Yeah. But that kind of gives you an idea of what was going on. She spit out a little something. It's all good. I just wanted to move it to its final resting spot so we can get this going. So like I said, I'm gonna take this bumper off. Probably won't get to it today because losing some sunlight, so there would be no purpose of doing it right now, but probably this weekend, maybe Friday. After I get off work, I'll come out here, take all this off, start taking this apart. Whatever I feel like is probably going to get in the way, I'll probably finish taking this air box off, and we'll just start from there. I do need to, there might be a way. I do need to pick up a, what do you call those things? Like those little bins that you put under the car, like if you were taking the coolant out or something. Because I'm probably going to have to drain this coolant. So I don't want it to be all over the place. So I'm gonna get one of those bins to slide under there, so then I can take that stuff off too. And little by little, I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna do as much as I can by myself, and then whatever I can't do by myself, I'll leave it for when I have help from my brother and everything. So, but I do want to, at least get the process started. You might as well. Less work we got to do later. It's not going to move anywhere. This is its final resting spot, really, until the job is done. I think I got it in a good spot. It's far enough as I could get it. As you can see, it was tripping, so I think I moved it like 3 or 4 times. When I moved it from this side, I hurried up and moved it over here. Barely just went out here, started cutting it and getting back over here. Because I didn't want it to shut off and then that'd be a whole nother issue. So I moved it the best way I could. I think this is a good spot. And then, we'll go from there. So I don't know if I'm going to include the other piece of this. Probably will. I don't know. Maybe I'll split it up. But I just wanted to give y'all a little update of what was going on. Slow process. I mean, I wish it could be done in one day, but I don't think it's going to go like that. It's going to be a little bit of a process. I do want to take my time with this and really do it right and not just rush it. So I want this to be running tip-top shape by the time I'm done with it, because I do plan to keep it, for a little while. Like I mentioned in the last video, I am planning on keeping this car for a little bit longer. And, we'll see what happens with it. I just want to get it back to its glory, get it back on the road. And once that's done, then we'll see how long I keep it. You never know what can come along. Maybe I'll find something else. Maybe I'll just keep it. We'll see. But thank you for watching. If you're watching, please like and subscribe. This is my journey on this car, but rebuilding this car. But even if you're not even into this, I do plenty of content on other cars, ride-alongs, car shows, all that stuff. So if you're watching, please subscribe. We almost at 500. I'm at about 450 at the time of this video. So once I get to that 500, that's one step closer to 1,000. And I would love to be at 1,000 by the end of the year. That's the goal. If not, early next year. But until then, I'm going to keep being consistent with it and see where it goes. So thank y'all for watching. See you next time.